Hey everybody, it's Deb Hastings, and in this video we're going to talk about getting sales leads using QR codes and Google Forms. So right here, this is an example of QR code. So I have just a simple banner, enter to win, and I have the QR code right here. All people have to do is scan it with their phone, enter in their information, and bam, I have it. It literally takes seconds. Imagine being at a vendor event, even a garage sale or an open house. You have a sheet like this setting out, they just scan it and you get their information that quickly. So let's get going into this video so I can show you how to do this. Okay, you guys, so what I want you to do first is open up Google. Okay, when you open up Google, all the way to the top right, you're going to see your profile picture, you'll see Gmail, images, and you'll see these 9 little dots. They call that a waffle menu because it kind of looks like a waffle. Select that. When you select that, a menu, a visual type menu will drop down and you'll see Google Drive. Select Google Drive, just like here in the picture. Okay, so now you will see a button that says My Drive. Select My Drive and a menu will come down. And you'll see like your different types of docs and sheets. But you'll see Google Forms, just like here in the picture. Select Google Forms, okay? Now what will populate now is a sample Google form. In your top left, you can go ahead and title it. I've titled this one, Holiday Show, Fort Worth. And when you click off of that, it'll automatically title your form. All right. And you'll see some example, like an example question. But first, I want you to, across the top, you'll see like questions and settings. I want you to select settings. And a little bit further down on the form, you will see that you want to default this to collect email addresses. Select that. So when you select that and you go back to your question page, you will find that it will automatically put in there that they need to put in a valid email address. And then for your question, I just put name and keep it at short answer. Because whether you put their full name or their first name, it doesn't really matter. We just want them to put a name in there. Okay, so now you're going to see a little bit of a preview of what your form's going to look like. But now we have the option that we can add things to the form to dress it up a little bit. So to the right, just like in the arrow in this image, you can add an image, you can add a video. So like in our form here, I have this picture going across the top. You could insert this banner on the form to have it in the form so it matches. Or like I said, or you can put a video so that when they scan it and they bring it up, it kind of brings it together. Or you can just leave it plain like it is. All right. So now, we're doing really good here. So now towards the top, you'll see like a little eye. That is a preview. If you click that, and then in your navigation bar, you will see the address for your form. You can copy that to use that for your QR code. So right now, let's preview it and leave that up. And then you're going to open up a separate tab for Canva. All right, it's coming alive. So open up your Canva. And I selected Instagram post. It's a square because when you put that on a Word document, it'll show up nicely. So I use Instagram post to do my design. You can choose whatever one you want. So you open up your Instagram, you do your design. I did the one that you see here in the picture. It has the banner. The enter to win. And then over on the left-hand side, you can scroll down your menu and you can select QR code. Now, if it's not in your menu because you haven't used it yet, go all the way down till you see More. Click More, and then it will be in the menu in there. So you're going to select QR code. So when you select QR code, it will ask you for a URL. Go back to your tab where we previewed on the Google form. You're going to copy that and you're going to paste it in the URL on this QR code generator. And then once you do that, you're going to select QR code generator and it will populate your QR code in your design, just like in the picture right here. Okay, so now you have your design. You've created your banner, you've put enter to win, you've created your code. So now download it onto your computer and then drop it onto a Word document so you can print it out. Okay, so now you have it printed out. So now you can scan this. When you scan it, your Google form is going to pop up, or the address will pop up. So when it pops up on the phone, you can put your email address, put your name, and then you're going to hit submit. Now I did a couple of them here in the example here. So when you go back to your Google form, you can select responses, just like in this picture, and you'll see the submissions that have been done. At the top of that response page, you'll see this little green thing. That is the icon for Google Sheets. If you click on that, a separate tab will open up with Google Sheets on it. And you'll see that the submissions, it's time stamped, it has the name, and it has the email address. So it just puts it into a sheet, which is very similar to Excel if you're a Microsoft user. So then you quickly are going to have a database of names here. So see how easy that is? It's exciting. All right, well, I cannot wait for you to try this method out for your sales lead generation using the QR codes with your Google Forms. It is very exciting. I love this method. It's so easy to do. Imagine doing a job, something at a beauty salon. You don't even have to limit it to vendor shows or to open houses. You can set something at a hair salon, any small business that's local, and get people's information all the time. It can be a machine that works for you constantly. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The YouTube gods love it when we do that. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for more content. When you get a chance, check out this next video, and I'll catch you later. Bye.